Hi, welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. We're staying here in a hotel near the airport. And next Mananglina there, looking in the mirror because she's very nervous in just few hours now. She's gonna meet her forever. Yeah, so I'm gonna look around our where we stayed. So we're four, okay? So that's why the two there, it's Taliklik and Bibi there. Yeah, on that area there, I sleep in the Bibi. And Mananglina over there. So we're gonna sleep now because by 1 o'clock by 2 o'clock we're gonna go to the airport. Yeah? Yeah! Manang, excited na ka Manang? Kung sa may magibati Manang? Yeah, I asked Mananglina what did she feel? Huh? Excited. Yeah, he's very excited. I told her to sleep. She said I cannot sleep. Yeah, but I cannot 6 hours sitting down like because after I take my vitamins, I really fall asleep. You know? So I said to Terence, can we just get this cheap this cheap hotel here in near the airport. Yeah, so that's it. That's an update. In just few hours, Mananglina gonna meet Mike, and I'm gonna ask Taliklik. Taliklik, unsa excited ka Taliklik? Taliklik, huh? She said, yeah. Baby, are you excited, baby?
Yes!
Yeah, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day and God bless. Bye-bye!